Hi YouTube, here we go. This is a sealed case of the Razor Retro Rookie. Doing one box right now, a one box break for Boba Pat. Let him pick his box first. Let's call the one on top box number 1, Pat, and the one on bottom box number 6. You just let me know which one you want. The fifth one down. So he's going to take this, fifth one down, and I am going to number the rest of these boxes 1 through 5. 1, 2, right on this little label here. 3, 4, and 5. There we go. So you can see when we're busting the rest of this case in the future. Box by box, that's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anyway, without further ado, good luck, Pat. Here we go. Not the latest. Alright. I guess I'll do them both and kind of slow roll. I'll slow roll for the blog, guys, and then I'll show you on YouTube what we got. It's gonna have the well, it's kind of tough to slow roll because you can see the see what we got on top there. I gotta keep it a secret from everybody as long as I can. Come on, Razor card. Alright, you got this Razor Rookie of Tanner Sheppers. And Tanner Sheppers, and your graded rookie is a Chris Johnson Topps Chrome. The grade is Gem Mint 10, PSA Gem Mint 10. Gem Mint 10 PSA, Chris Johnson. Topps Chrome rookie card. Auto. Pretty nice. I don't know what it's worth. Thanks for watching. Peace.